Hey guys, for today we are showing you guys the grass shear. So this is a cordless hedge trimmer and grass shear. So let's go ahead and unbox it, show you guys what you get. So this is the one extension, and then of course you have your hedge trimmer extension, gloves, toolkit, 2 batteries. For taking the trimmer off, what you do is you squeeze this and you pull back. So you pull upward. When you want to put it on, you line it up, press these in here, line this up. Definitely a little tough for lining up. So it is a little tough swapping these out. You have to push this in and then push back in this piece here really hard to get it to go in. We tried it for about 15 minutes and it just seems like it's a little hard to put in, but once you get it in, we are ready to go.